Hi, my name is Christina Peloso. I'm a GGC student working with Dr. Brennick to produce curriculum for itec 2150 Intermediate Programming. In this video, we will take a look at the leap motion and some examples of how it's being used. The leap motion controller tracks hand movement using infrared cameras. This is used for fine motor movement as opposed to Microsoft Kinect, which picks up full body motion with less detail. Leap motion's popularity has grown significantly, and now HP has a special edition laptop and desktop with the embedded leap motion technology. Now we'll take a look at some of the ways leap motion is being used. Georgia Tech did a research study on how gesture motion can be used for drivers to avoid distraction in navigating a menu.
In the static height gesture, the change in the height of the user's hand is translated into a change in the menu item selection. While using the angular wrist gesture, the angle of the wrist from a horizontal 0-degree position will indicate the scrolling up or down motion of the menu selection. The vertical swiping gesture will allow you to traverse each menu item swipe by swipe. We will also be using a horizontal swiping gesture for selection of a particular menu item.
NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory at Caltech is using leap motion to control the athlete rover.
Controlling all of those things with a traditional interface like a keyboard is very challenging.
We were able to map our hands to a model of the robot, and then we took it a step further, mapped the entire robot to the test bed that it was in, basically a hangar where the real robot was flying around in.
So in one gesture, we're able to control the 6 degrees of freedom of its position and rotation, as well as some of the articulation of the legs. It allows us to take a leap forward in the ways that we control our robots and spacecraft.
At Yale, leap motion is used to control the synthesizing of music. UC Irvine's research is leading to at-home therapy for stroke rehabilitation with limited occupational therapist involvement. Griffith University in Australia and others across the world are researching the use of leap motion in interpreting sign language. The Griffith study found there were many weaknesses when fingers were crossed or the hand was tilted. The video demonstration shows leap motion has worked to overcome these problems and is now more effective.